Okay, so let me explain you how the selection sort works. Okay, there are few what we say codes that will be running in the backside of the selection sort. The first one is void selection sort, compare the array A int size of n. Then what will happen, for int I, the first index will be selected, like in our case 975 will be selected. It will be as the biggest element for now. Now what will happen is one more element from the next element will be selected, and that will be checking if the first element is greater than or not. So every loop it checks, like now it found that 988 is bigger, so it changes its big index to j. Now again it will check the next digit, that whether it is bigger than that. The workflows, when it reaches the end, the swapping will take place with the last element with the big index. Now again it goes to the starting. For I is equal to 0, I will be selected as the biggest element now. Then for j will be starting from its next index, it will start comparing with the big index with the j index. Now it will go till the end. It did not find anything bigger than the first element, so the swapping between the first and the last element will take place. Now last element will be ignored. Again the first element is considered as the biggest element now. Now j will be considered from next element and start moving till the end until it find element bigger than. If it does not find, swap the last element with the starting element. Again the first element will be taken, 556. It will be considered as the biggest element for now. Big index will be first element. Now j will be starting from the second index. Now it will be checking whether s, it found one bigger one, so it's changed its big index. X, again it found a big index, so it's changed its big index. Now the last term, it will be swapped with the last term. Now the last term will be ignored, and again the first term is considered as the biggest element. The second element is compared with the first element. Yes, it found the biggest element, so again it will be swapped. It will move forward. It will move forward. It did not find anything bigger than 828, so it will be swapped with the last element. Now again the first element will be considered as the biggest element, and it will check the second index whether it is bigger than, and the next element it did not find, so the swapping will be take place between the last and first element. Now again the first element will be considered as the biggest element, and it will check the other index left is bigger than or not. If it is not, the swapping will not take place. The sorted array is found. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe the channel.